Have you ever clicked on a news article or a Wikipedia page, read the first two sentences, and just felt completely lost? Words like quantum entanglement or blockchain or inflationary fiscal policy just make your eyes glaze over. You're not alone. We've all been there. It can make you feel like maybe you're just not smart enough to get it. What if I told you there's a secret superpower that lets you understand even the most complex topics in minutes? And what if that superpower was completely free and worked like a personal tutor that's available 24/7? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, that internet guy. And in this video, we're unlocking one of the most powerful ways to use DeepSeek. In this video, you will learn what is the Explain Like I'm 5 superpower, how to craft the perfect, simple explanation request, 3 real-world examples, inflation, quantum computing, and a news article, pro tips to become a learning master. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll never feel intimidated by a complex topic again. Section 1. The core concept, your personal tutor. At its heart, DeepSeek isn't just a chatbot. It's one of the most patient, knowledgeable, and clear teacher you could ever ask for. The magic key that unlocks this is a simple phrase. Explain it to me like I'm 5. Or sometimes you'll see it online as ELI5. Now, DeepSeek won't actually give you a silly, baby talk answer. What this phrase does is tell the AI, break this down into its most basic, fundamental parts. Use simple analogies and everyday language. Skip the jargon and assume I know nothing about the topic. This is empowering because it removes the fear of asking stupid questions. You can't ask a stupid question if you've already told it to explain like you're 5. This flips a mental switch. You go from feeling like you're not smart enough to taking control of your own learning. You're not being left behind. You're just getting a better, simpler explanation. Section 2. Let's see it in action. 3 examples. Let's jump right in and see how this works with 3 real examples. Example 1. Inflation. First up, inflation. We hear about it all the time, but what is it really? In the DeepSeek chat bar, I'll type, explain inflation to me like I'm 5 years old. Look at this. DeepSeek doesn't start with economic theory. It uses a simple analogy. It says something like, imagine you have a magic money tree, and everyone gets more money to buy candy. But the candy store still has the same number of candies. Since everyone has more money and wants to buy candy, the store owner can raise the price. That's inflation, when too much money is chasing too few goods, so prices go up. See how that immediately creates a picture in your mind? That's the power of a simple analogy. Example 2. Quantum computing. Okay, let's try something really complex. Quantum computing. This time, I'll be a little more specific with my prompt. I'll type, explain quantum computing like I'm 5. Use a simple analogy, maybe something with toys or games. Fantastic. It might use an analogy like, a normal computer is like a super fast light switch. It's either on, 1, or off, 0. A quantum computer is like a magical spinning top. While it's spinning, it's kind of on and kind of off at the same time, and it can explore many different paths all at once. This lets it solve certain types of puzzles much, much faster. By asking for a specific type of analogy, you can guide the explanation to something that makes even more sense to you. Example 3. A news article. For our last example, let's tackle a dense news article. You can literally copy and paste the text you don't understand. Let's say I found a complicated paragraph about geopolitical sanctions. I'll copy it, and then in DeepSeek, I'll write, I don't understand this news article. Explain the main point of this to me like I'm 5. DeepSeek will read the article and break it down. It will say something like, okay, so 2 countries are having a big argument. One country, let's call it country A, is being mean. So the other country, country B, says you're in timeout. No more trading toys or video games with us until you start being nice. That's what a sanction is. It's a way to punish another country without going to war. It cuts through the formal language and gets straight to the core idea. Section 3. Pro tips and tricks for mastery. Now that you've seen the basics, here are a few pro tips to make you an absolute master of this superpower. Tip 1. Ask for an analogy. If the first explanation is still a bit fuzzy, just type, "Can you give me a different analogy?" This is like asking your tutor to explain it in a different way until it clicks. Tip 2. Use the explain it to a 12-year-old method. Sometimes, an ELI5 can be too simple. If you want a bit more detail, try, "Explain quantum computing to me like I'm a 12-year-old. This gives you a slightly more advanced, but still very clear, explanation. Tip 3. Ask for a summary. For long articles or videos, ask for a summary. Prompt. Summarize the key points of this article in 3 bullet points. This is a massive time saver. Tip 4. The so what factor. To understand why something matters, ask, "Why should I care about this?" Or, "How does this affect the average person?" This connects the dry topic directly to your life. The key is to not give up if the first answer isn't perfect. Have a conversation. That's what DeepSeek is built for. Conclusion and recap. And just like that, you now have a personal tutor in your pocket. Let's quickly recap what you've learned. You can use the "Explain it to me like I'm 5" prompt to break down any complex topic. You can copy and paste text from articles for instant clarification. You can guide the explanation by asking for specific analogies or summaries. This superpower is all about curiosity. The next time you hear about something you don't understand, don't scroll past it. Open up DeepSeek and satisfy that curiosity. Learning is no longer about what you already know, but about your willingness to ask. You are now smarter and more capable than you were 8 minutes ago. If this video helped you, feel free to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides to using AI in your everyday life. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.